Okay guys, here's our chicken that we've left to marinate overnight, and we're going to continue our process now. We're on to part 2. Oh, you should smell that. This smells so flavorful already. Yes, indeed. So all we're gonna do now is just lay it down in our tray. Okay, so here is our tray. I went ahead and just lined it to make the cleanup process a little easier afterwards. All right. Putting them the skin side up at first. All right, there we go. Nice. Good. All right. And now we're all set. And this sauce here, we're not going to throw it out because we're going to use it later on to baste the chicken and just, you know, ensure that we waste nothing. Yeah, so I'm going to cover it back. And leave it right here. After the first hour, you'll see how we'll be using it back. Okay, now I'm putting this into the oven for 1 hour at 200 degrees. All right. Okay guys, after 1 hour, here we are. Wow, I smell that jerk chicken. Smells like it's ready to eat, but hey, not quite yet. I'm going to just pour some of that leftover sauce over it and put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Wow. That's it. Nothing to waste. Awesome. This time I'm going to turn up the oven just a little bit to about 250 degrees. All right, guys, here we are. Our oven jerk chicken is ready. All right, let's see how tender these are. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, this feels so tender and juicy. Let's see how easily we get into this. Wow. Oh wow. It is tender, guys. Cutting right through the joint. Yeah, that's it. Awesome. Ooh, look at that. It is so nice and soft and well done right through. Look at that. Let's serve this up for you now. Wow, straight through the bone. This knife is sharp and this chicken is juicy. Ooh la la. Nice and tender and well done. There you have it, guys. Oven jerk chicken, Jamaican style. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.